one real French sentence and then all the grammar and then the vocab that you need to use it right. In today's BitSize French, let's take a look at the expression ne faire que plus infinitif. So it means that only do one thing. Let's take a look at a few examples. Example 1 is tu ne fais que perdre ton temps et ton argent. Tu ne fais que perdre ton temps et ton argent. It means you're just wasting your time and money. The first verb, noun is un temps, time, un temps, time. Un argent, money, un argent, money. So both are masculine nouns. So the first verb is fait, is from faire, the second person singular, present tense, fait. Tu ne fais que. So the second verb is perdre, to waste, perdre. Tu ne fais que perdre ton temps et ton argent. You're just wasting your time and money. Tu ne fais que perdre. The second example we're going to look at is tu ne fais que geindre. Tu ne fais que geindre. You're just whining. So the verbs here are fait, the same as before. The second verb here is geindre, to whine. Tu ne fais que geindre. You do nothing but whine, or you're just whining. Tu ne fais que geindre. The third example is il ne fait que penser à son voyage. Il ne fait que penser à son voyage. He only thinks about his trip. He does nothing but thinks about his trip. So the first noun here is un voyage, which is a masculine noun. Un voyage. The verb here is fait in third person this time, not second person. Il ne fait que. Fait, pronunciation is the same, but il ne fait que. Penser is to think about. Penser à is think about. Penser à son voyage, think about his trip. Il ne fait que penser à son voyage. He only thinks about his trip. Let's take a look at a short text example. Elle ne fait que regarder son téléphone. Il fait que soupirer. Il ne fait que soupirer. It means she just keeps looking at her phone. He only sighs. Elle ne fait que regarder son téléphone. Il ne fait que soupirer. So here nouns are un téléphone, which is a telephone or phone. The verbs here are, the first one is fait, the third person, again, fait. Regarder, to watch. Regarder, watch. Regarder son téléphone is looking at his phone. And soupirer is to sigh. Il ne fait que soupirer. He does nothing but sigh. So elle ne fait que regarder son téléphone. She only looks at her phone and he only sighs, looking at her probably. Elle ne fait que regarder son téléphone. Il ne fait que soupirer. Okay, let's take a look at a quick quiz. Which sentence correctly uses ne faire que plus infinitive structure? So the answers are A, tu fais que parler. B, tu ne que parler. C, tu ne fais que parler. D, tu ne fais parler que. Which one do you think is correct? I'll give you a few seconds and then I will reveal the answer soon. So the correct answer for this is C. Tu ne fais que parler. Tu ne fais que parler. You only speak. You do nothing but only speak. Tu ne fais que parler. That's it for today. Always learn more with less. Hit subscribe and don't miss out on daily videos.